Hi guys, Harrison here with another unboxing of a LED Lenser product. This is their new X21R. Now it is 5,000 lumens, so finally they have come out with a high lumen output torch, still fully focusable with the spot to flood. As you can see, it is a seriously large torch, pretty much the same size and look as the X21R.2. But this one's the new X21R, just dropped the 0.2, upgraded the lumens to 5,000, just with like an 800 meter throw as well. So anyway, I'll get it out so you guys can have a look at it. So what you get is this really nice, really nice LED Lenser case, hard case, carry handle. Yeah, it is great. Make sure you open it with the LED Lenser side up, otherwise your torch will fall out. But anyway, just move those clips aside. Open it up. So that is what you get in it. Everything's got its spot. It's great. So get it all out. What you get your X21R. You get, what else do you get? You get your charging port, so your charging brick. You also get your, well, can't get that out. Anyway, you get your user manual, LED Lenser card, 7-year warranty, LED Lenser safety manual, get a little sticker, that. You also get some screws and some little plastic things so you can mount this mounting charging system on the wall. So torch just goes straight in there, flips up into that, and you can just put it simply in there. So you've got it on the wall ready to go whenever you might need it. You also obviously get the charging port, which is the magnetic charging port that charges straight on the back there. And you get this with these, so that just slips straight over the handle for you to clip your shoulder strap on, because it is a large torch, so you probably need it. Another thing that you get that I didn't even realise until I opened this just then is this other little mounting system. Nice little rubber strap there, goes straight over the torch, and it is a tripod mount. So it's just got your generic thread at the bottom there. Not sure if you guys can see that. So yeah, you can just mount this to any tripod, which is, yeah, really great. Another thing is about it, so yeah, like I said, it's 5,000 lumens. I'll just get all this out of the way. So like I said, 5,000 lumens, really nice. Got the high and low beam, you got your SOS and your strobe. And your battery indicator at the back here. So that little silver button there, if I just press that, it'll show me how much power is there. So it's power is full, and that'll just go down. What I like about LED Lenser is they give you great run time. So all their torches are pretty accurate with the run time. So on the 5,000 lumens, you are going to get 2 hours run time, which is a long time for, yeah, such a high output torch. You've got a massive heat sink here, so it is not going to get hot if you're holding it the whole time. Obviously got your on-off switch here, power indicator at the back. These plastic little protectors from the front and rear can come off, but I wouldn't suggest taking them off because they're anti-roll and impact resistant. You've got your focusing system here. Like all LED Lensers, just goes in and out, spot to flood, which is really effective actually. That spot function I'll just show in a second is really nice. Yeah, like I said, magnetic charging cable. But yeah, it is a great light. Finally, they've got brought out a light with a big lumen output, which is great. All you lead lenser guys out there are going to love it. So anyway, I'll just turn it on. So that's in the lock position now, so it's not going to do anything. Not going to turn on. So that's how you move it. You just twist this around. So if I twist this to half, press it, so that's on low. And then while it's on, you can just put it across to high. One more is SOS. And then the next one's strobe. I'll just take it off that. And then if you go straight across to the lock, turns it off. And then you can't do anything. So until you go back to a function and turn it on again. Now that spot function, so that's on full flood. Spot function, if you pull it right in, you can see how tight that gets. It is really nice. And then even on the high, wow, it's pretty bright. It still gets really nice and tight. I'll get a video back out to you guys at night to show you how far it is and how nice and spotty it gets. But as you can see just on here, I mean, it is quite effective. Spot function, then back down to the low, and I can just get off. But yeah, that's the X21R, their new one. Yeah, it's a great light. I mean, if you like your LED lenses, this one's pretty much the pick of it. It is a big torch. It's going to come in over 1 kilo. That's why they give you that shoulder strap. But as you can see, I mean, you can hold it pretty nicely, and it's not going to get too heavy for you. Really nice. Bunch of LEDs there. That focusing system works wonderful with all of them. Just really pinpointing it in, considering there is so many LEDs in there. But yeah, if you guys want to check it out, it's called X21R, 5,000 lumens, just brand new from LED Lenser. You got your 7-year warranty. I mean, yeah, it is actually a really nice light. So yeah, if you want to go check it out,